Best Scroll Saws 2023. To help you find the best scroll saw, we looked into 15 products and analyzed their ease of use, blade types, cutting speed, work table quality, and dust management system. This is one of the best tools that you can invest in to make your work easier. Number 1. DEWALT Scroll Saw. The DeWalt DW788 is the whole package when it comes to scroll saws. This model is relatively quiet, easy to operate, and versatile enough to meet the needs of beginner and more discerning woodworkers alike. One of the top overall scroll saws, the DeWalt DW788 has a throat depth of 20 inches that allows cuts up to 2 inches deep. It accepts only pinless, straight blades, which may be a bit of a learning curve, but allows for easy, tool-free blade changes with less frustration. The power switch, speed control, and tension lever are all conveniently located on the front of the upper arm and within easy reach as you work. The oversized cast iron table provides ample workspace for your projects, and the machine has a double parallel link arm that helps reduce vibrations. While the DeWalt DW788 isn't the most robust scroll saw on the market, it's an excellent option for woodworkers of any skill level and provides a wide array of options at a mid-range price point. Its simple operation and straightforward design ensure that you'll spend less time fiddling with the machine's operation and more time creating the unique shapes and intricate cuts that a scroll saw is known for. Pros: very accurate cuts, reduced vibration, easy to adjust. Cons: somewhat expensive. Number 2. Dremel Ms2001 Moto-Saw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw Kit. If you're getting started with scrolling projects, shop around for a basic scroll saw that will give you all the essential features while skipping the pricier add-ons you aren't likely to use. The Dremel Moto-Saw is a compact scroll saw that is perfect for woodwork hobbyists and more light-duty scroll saw users thanks to its versatility and easy operation. This Dremel has variable speed settings that let you easily control the saw's cutting motion, and it offers surprisingly quiet operation which many people appreciate when using it for home crafts. The Dremel Moto-Saw only uses pinned blades, which are easier and quicker to change than pinless blades. However, they limit the types of cuts you can do and are better for simpler projects. One other thing to know about this entry-level scroll saw is that it lacks a miter gauge or rip fence, but these can be purchased as add-ons through the manufacturer if desired. A bonus of the Dremel Moto-Saw is that it can be used in handheld mode, making it a go-anywhere coping saw. Pros: detaches from base for coping. Adjustable speeds. Auto-tensioning blade changes. Cons: only for small or lightweight projects. Number 3. Ms2001 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. If you enjoy pattern work, shop for a scroll saw with blades that can be inserted in 2 directions and variable speeds to allow for greater control. The Ms2001 scroll saw is not only very reasonably priced, it's also a great choice if you enjoy cutting out detailed patterns. This scroll saw accepts both pinned and pinless blades, allowing you the choice of blade type. Additionally, you can position the blades in a standard or 90-degree position, giving you more flexibility when following scrolling patterns. One thing to know is that pinless blade changes aren't as easy on this scroll saw as some other models. The threading attachment is hard to reach and you'll need an Allen wrench to complete the job. Overall, the Ms2001 has an impressive feel for its affordable price tag, and it has the power and versatility needed to make basic cuts and shapes easily. It might not be the most high-powered or intricate scroll saw on the market, but the Ms2001 wins for its versatile blade placement, variable speed settings, and suitability as a basic pattern scroll saw. Pros: blades can be positioned in 2 positions. Tilting table. Reasonable price. Cons: some complaints about vibration. Number 4. Delta Power Tools 40 to 694 20 inches. Variable speed scroll saw. Tackle larger woodworking projects with a scroll saw that offers plenty of power and a greater throat depth. This 20-inch scroll saw from Delta Power Tools has more than enough room and oomph to handle projects of all shapes and sizes. Model 40 to 694 from Delta is a scroll saw with a 20-inch throat, which allows for cutting wider pieces of wood than a 16-inch or 18-inch throat. The table tilts between 0 and 45 degrees to allow for beveling. Plus, for added convenience, the upper arm can be lifted and locked into position when making blade changes or adjusting blade angle. You'll appreciate speeds up to 1,750 strokes per minute to cut through even tough woods like walnut, and the dust hose efficiently keeps up with sawdust as you work, keeping pattern lines or the work surface free of dust and debris. Out of the box, this scroll saw from Delta Power Tools will only accept pinless blades. If you want to use pinned blades, you'll need to shop for an adapter. Pros: powerful performance. Handles large projects. Tilting table. Cons: stand/light sold separately. Number 5. Jet JWSS22B, 22-inch scroll saw with foot switch. The design features on the Jet JWSS22B scroll saw, combined with its large work surface and 3/4-inch cutting stroke, make it a great home shop saw. Jet's blade change mechanism allows you to clamp and tension the blade in one step without any tools. The upper spring-loaded arm moves up out of the way for blade changes and ease of situating your work. All the features you'd expect are part of this saw, from a foot pedal switch to LED work light to handy blade storage. Though loaded with big saw features, the footprint of this saw is small and won't eat up space in your shop. And Jet backs up its tools with a 5-year warranty. Pros: high-quality materials and make. Tons of helpful features to make using the saw easy. Included foot switch. Cons: the quality means a high price tag.